I'm Matt Munter. I'm Executive VP at BV, and I deal with our asset management division. We work with a lot of facility managers who are looking to proactively manage their portfolios. So today, I'm going to talk about some tips for the facility manager who's trying to put together a capital plan. We've talked about how a facility assessment can help get that plan in place and identify what common issues need to be looked at, what code compliance issues need to be on the list, and how those things come together into a plan, especially around life cycle of components that may be operating fine today, but need to be in the plan for replacement as the life cycle comes up. When we talk to facility managers who've done a facility assessment, really the next step, the advanced step would be, how do all those become an execution plan? So for us, the biggest thing about creating an execution plan is to, number one, prioritize the items that were identified in the facility assessment. What are the ones that need to happen? What building systems can be run till failure, maybe don't need to be replaced until that system actually fails, and which are key critical that need to be replaced on cycle regardless of what's happening with the age of the component. All those to us help inform a prioritized plan. The next thing to be done after priorities are put together is, okay, how are we going to pull these items together and actually go out on the street and get a project done? So to us, that is less about prioritization, but more about grouping for execution. So for instance, if you've got a capital plan and you've put that plan in any kind of a database, even if it's in an Excel spreadsheet, the first thing that we tell clients to do is, okay, well, let's look at your portfolio and what similar projects need to happen. Say it's a K-12 school system. What needs to happen next summer? Wow, we've got 5 roofing projects happening at different schools. Let's prioritize all those into a single bid. Maybe we even look at year 2 and year 3 in the plan, see if there's any roof projects there, and then go out for a multi-year bid. So that client's not only doing things efficiently by having one bid, but they're probably getting some economies from having one contractor being able to execute all those. So that's the kind of thinking that really goes into the next level of the plan. Similarly, inside the building, if we're going to be replacing finishes, say we want to do a lighting project or that needs to be done, you're probably going to end up pulling out the ceiling and doing a full interior project. So this is really about grouping projects together so they can be executed. Schools is an easy mindset because they're trying to get a lot of work done in a very short amount of calendar. Makes you think about how to do multiple things together, but we really recommend all our clients try to think like that. If we were going to try to do these projects together, which ones would need to be done at the same time, lighting projects and ceiling projects, and which ones are going to trigger new code compliance issues. Are we going to reach a trigger where we need to bring this particular bathroom up to ADA compliance? So those are some of the things at the next level of thinking about building an executable facilities plan.